Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlink an audio from a video, then synchronize and link a fresh audio or a proper audio or a clean audio to the video. So this audio currently now, this is the camera audio, and this right here, I drag and drop it. This is the mic audio I used. So as you can see, it's quite long. What you have to do first is to make sure you synchronize the audios together. So what do I mean by synchronizing? This is the mic audio and this is the video audio. So I don't want to use the video audio, I want to use the audio from the mic. So what you have to do first, let's synchronize. You highlight all, then you go to synchronize. Once it's synchronized, what you have to do next, as you can see, you just have to cut down or you trim down this, then you delete the space, then you trim everything to this mesh. So okay, as you can see the wave and everything, they're quite aligned, not like white, they align. So what you have to do next, let's unlink this. So you right click on this, you go here, unlink, you delete this is of no use again, then you highlight this too, then you link. Then as you can see, everything rhymes. So that's how to synchronize. Thank you and subscribe.